Hi, you guys. Today's question of the day is come stai? Come stai means how are you? You could also say come va, which means how's it going, but a bit more slang, and come sta, which also means how are you, but that's a bit more formal. So all these three ways mean how are you? Come stai, come va, come sta. The ways that you can answer are so many ways, but let's look at the most common. You could say bene, which means good or well, così così, which means so-so, male, which means bad. Or you could also say molto bene, very good. Benissimo also means very good, just another way of saying it. And molto male, very bad, which I hope none of you are. A little bit harder, but you could say non c'è male, not that bad. Non c'è bene, not that good. And of course, any others that you know. But those are some ones that are really good to know. And when you are done answering, if you want to ask me back, you can say e tu, which means and you. So today's question of the day, come stai? How are you? Write in the notes below how you are feeling in Italian. Feel free to look it up if you want to, or you can use one of these, and you can say e tu if you would like to ask me back. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can comment below, or you can post a video of how to answer this. All right, if you post a video, we will give you some feedback of any tips or tricks that we would suggest in how to make your answer even better. All right, great job. Bye.